Now we're going to take a minute, we're going to slow down, and we're going to look at Google Forms quiz features. So the first thing you want to do is go into your settings and make sure that it is set to be in a quiz. That is very important. Now you have a choice. You can release the grade immediately after they submit and they'll get their score. Or you can wait till later after manual review. The manual review one works really good if you put in questions that are not multiple choice, where maybe they're a short answer essay or a long answer essay, and the computer cannot score them. You can have it not give them their score till later. You can go in and manually score those. It'll add them to the score of the other sections, and then you can send it to them in an email. But if it's going to get to them immediately, you can go ahead and immediately after they click submit, they can get it. Now, the other options down here is they can see questions they missed, they can correct answers, and they can see the points of value for each question. So, depending on how you're going to use it, those things may or may not be important to you. I'm going to go with all those settings checked and say save. So now this is a quiz. Once you've made it a quiz, when you go to the question and you're looking at it, you actually have plenty of options. At the moment, I'm in the response section, so I'm going to go back to questions. And if I click on the question I want to work on, it gives me my question options, and then it gives me the answer key option. If I click that, it allows me to choose a answer. That is the correct answer. Okay. You can leave neither right, and you can choose how many points you want it to be worth so that you can go through and you can edit your questions, change them to fit what you need according to that. When you're done working on your answer key, you can just click edit questions and go back. And that is how you can build your Google Forms quiz. And it works with any of the choices. If you were to put down short answer as your answer type and you clicked on answer key, then you can put in what you want your correct answer to be. If it's a specific phrase or wording that you could test on, you can put that in and you can check mark all others incorrect. So there is a way to do short answer, but it will require them to use the exact same wording and spell it correctly in order to get the feedback automatically.